Hello everyone. I wanted to make a video on how to replace these little things for the frames to a hat frame. And this is something that I personally struggled with a lot when I first got the machine because obviously I didn't know anything about this business. So anyway, if you're having trouble, the reason why I'm recording this is because I want you to remember the where those go, right? They're the original little arms, the placement of those. So the way I remember is the first screw is on the fifth little hole. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where the first one goes. Same thing on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's your placement. So when you take them off, just again, remember where they go. That way you don't struggle when you want to use those frames again. But next thing you'll need is, something like this. I like getting the longer one. I think the machine comes with some of these L's, but they're kind of short. So I just got this longer one, and it gives you more space to work. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and take these out. You don't gotta take them out all the way, just loosen them up. And then they slide right out. So here, this is what I mean. It gives you a little bit more space to work for your hands. So you take those out, loosen them up, come right out. Okay, so then next thing you'll need is 2 of these little screws. You're gonna need 2 of these, so you can just use them from one of these arms. Because you're gonna need it for the hat press, or the hat frame. Okay, let me get that ready. Okay, so this is the placement that you're gonna need for the hat frame. So you'll put it on the third one. This is the way I remember. And same thing on this side, on the third one. Okay, so the machine is gonna be the same story. You're gonna be using the 5th little hole or placement on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that next. And I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And then when you're sliding this in, it aligns with these little wheels that it has on the bottom. So you'll see them. Just slides right in. And I need to fix this 1 second here. Let me get it closer. There you go. That should help me. So remember the 5th one on each side. And we're going to tighten those up. I usually just put 1. You can put 2 if you want, but I don't know if it's necessary to put the 2. Because there's 2 holes there that you can fit 2 screws on each side. But usually 1 for me is good enough. I don't do a lot of hats, so so that's what it looks like afterwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add the size, which is the hat one. So it's gonna adjust there. Perfect. Okay. So that's how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna be posting more videos on this machine. It's definitely a good machine. It does take some practice though, because we didn't have any background in embroidery. So when we first got it, we did struggle a lot with different things. But once you get the hang of it, once you know how it works, obviously it becomes a lot easier. But hopefully these videos help. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.